Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your squad within the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Busters game on your device and then complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed these levels, you will gain access to the game's main menu, from which you can start enjoying your game right away. Now, when you are playing your matches, you will be asked to choose your starting character, which you can choose from the available members within your squad. In order to add more characters onto your squad, you will simply need to complete the various game levels and try to gain first place in order to get various different rewards. You will get various rewards in the form of chests, which you can unlock, and this will be new characters in most cases. Once you have unlocked these characters, they will be available within your squad screen, from which they will be accessible to buy using some few coins. You can tap on the open chest button in order to unlock various characters. And after you have unlocked these characters, you can tap on the squad menu to access all of them. And when you start your match, you will be allowed to choose from the various characters that you have unlocked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your squad on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.